So I'm TJ Hines, and I'm a father of two sons, Carter and Carson. I'm also the fiance to the love of my life, Lindsay. I'm a professional mortgage lender here in the Valley for Caliber Home Loans. So I've been in the business 6 years. Started with Guild on a powerful team out of Lakewood, Colorado. Learned a lot the right way. So I feel like I have good tools, resources to continue on as my own. This kind of business allows me to enjoy my free life, not be so stressed, but at the same time give back to my community and those looking to purchase a home. The experience I have as a general contractor, I built homes here in the Valley. I grew up here in the Valley. So I know real estate from the ground up. So that's something I can provide because I know all aspects or facets of real estate. Here at TJ Mortgage Pros, we create long-term wealth through home ownership. Other people's success is our loyalty.